I read the directions and I am excited to answer the question, how can I build a culture that serves existing customers while unlocking new sources of growth? All of our businesses have mission statements, but not all of us know how to take those mission statements off of our websites and on brochures and put them into practice in the day to day operations of our business. And I believe that happens with the creation of a culture code. The culture code is the how of your organization, the steps that you take to make your why, your mission statement, happen. So let's say your mission statement is to build a widget that will save the world. So, how are you going to do that? What are the achievable steps that you can take? You might decide that that means that you are going to create a safe and fun and compassionate work environment so that your workers will create widgets that are meaningful to them. You might decide that you're only going to be working with sustainable widget materials, et cetera, et cetera. So you have then a list of criteria that are your framework, that are your guide in how you do business. So then you can integrate that into the hiring and training and ongoing management practices so that you now have a team of people who are already bought into this culture code and are continuously being assessed on how well they are meeting this criteria. And you can also integrate this culture code into your product and service design. So if you have an opportunity in front of you that somehow lies outside your culture code, you don't do it. But if it meets all the criteria of your culture code, then you can move forward with confidence in a direction that is not going to sacrifice your brand and, more importantly, the relationships that you've built with your existing customers and your supporters. So it's all about building a culture code.